Air travel sucks more than ever, and just when you thought it couldn't get worse, the government steps in with their brilliant solutions. I mean, who doesn't love waiting in line for hours just to be told your flight's delayed because of technical difficulties? Spoiler alert, the only technical difficulty is the airline's ability to keep things running smoothly. And let's talk about those new improvements. They're rolling out fancy apps to track your luggage, but good luck finding your bag when it's been sent on a spontaneous vacation to Timbuktu. Meanwhile, we're all crammed into seats designed for toddlers, praying the person next to us doesn't decide to recline. Oh, and the food? Gourmet meals have been replaced with a bag of pretzels and a side of disappointment. But don't worry, the government is working hard to fix it by adding more fees. Because nothing says we care like charging you for your carry-on. So, buckle up, frequent flyers. It's going to be a bumpy ride, and not just because of turbulence.